Hello guys, maayong hapon. O, diba? Akala nyo puros lang kami mukhang pera. Hindi guys, may life din kami outside ng benta-benta. So ngayon, nandito kami sa Tropicana Dolores Resort. Walang tao guys, pinag-iwanan ng panahon. Hindi ko alam anong nangyari. Parang gusto kong may urge ako na magwalis. Kasi ang daming kalat talaga. Pero okay lang kasi yung mga bata ay naglalaro ng kanilang buhangin. Ayan, at ito po ang aming baon. Syempre, highlight of the night. Ang baon namin, maraming salamat kay Auntie Christine. Ginawan kami ng boiled na kamote, at itlog. Then meron kaming kutsinta at ibang mga prutas. Ayun, ang mga bata andun lahat guys, naglalaro ng buhangin. So, dito sa Dolores guys, Tropicana Resort, hindi ko alam anong nangyari. It used to be very nice and very clean. Ngayon parang sobrang daming basura. Siguro dahil low tide na. Pero pag may walis dito, wawalisan ko to eh. So time check natin guys, alas 4 ng hapon. Talagang sumaglit kami kasi ito yung mga activity na talagang feeling namin very productive yung mga bata. And it exposes our children in the nature. Kaya sobrang masaya kami kapag dinadala namin sila kahit 2 oras lang. So tingnan nyo si Chico. Ayun si Chico guys. Oh. Nagkakakot siya ng tubig. Si Calvi din. Oh. Pinagangster pa yung kanyang sombrero. Gangsta. So kain muna tayo ng ating baong itlog na hindi bugok. Ikaw, anong kinakain mo?
Kaya kamote guys kasi maganda ang benefits nito. Alam nyo ba kung ano? Otot benefits.
Oh, you know what? One of the food for to Hashimoto. Yes. Root crops.
For your diseases.
Yeah, root crops. Dito sa dalampasigan ng Jensen guys, pag may mga dumadaan dito na mga nagbibenta ng mga fresh na isda, kunin nyo yung opportunity. Katulad nito, anong binibenta nila? Isda sa bato. Ayan. Kami nagtawag. Sige, wala problema. Pag
3 kilos lang na siya ma'am.
Pila po per kilo di ay? Pila? Ay, sarao.
Pwede na mo kuha ma'am.
Sa bato.
Paano ko lang tanan pinailas?
Kaso bawal kasi dito guys bawal dito magbenta sa mga customer ng beach resort. So kailangan sabihin natin na kami yung tumawag sa kanila, hindi sila yung lumapit sa amin. So ito magaganda mga isda sa bato. Danggit sa bato.
Kung kuhaan ako tanan. Sige.
Presko kay swaki.
Ilan na ito una doon?
Anong ka kilo?
Basta patulo. 170 mo nga. Mga 8 times
180.
180 last. Pila?
Pila?
Ari ako kutsara
Be? May nakagapli. Maglubi ba? Yan. Sus, mas kabalop ako. Gagmay galing. Nasaan yun nakuha?
Tagan kayong gulot mo niya. Tagan na siya ulo.
Hugaw na siya katong yelo lang makaon.
Makarang yelo na. Dili na mo na mabalaan mo dagan sulod.
Naad ako.
Tambal ni siya ma'am.
Ay. Ilap.
Ini ma'am.
Ibanlawan naman na sa dagat. Katungadag ko. Pila nyo nakuha? Isa lang. Ana siya tanawa.
Pangit suka ma'am.
Wala may suka.
Dili man tatindahan.
Dili man tatindahan ma'am.
Maulot na ma'am.
Anak, Maldi.
Ma'am na ibalas. Saan na ma'am?
Sige.
Tara.
At nakauwi kami ng bahay. So basically 2 hours lang talaga kami sa dagat para para lang ma-enjoy ng mga bata yung hangin at yung buhangin. So, bumili pala ako ng label. Maganda to guys, no? Kasi nakita ko, naghanap ako ng label na maganda at madaling basahin. So, chinek ko sa Shopee at may nakita ako. Sobrang mura lang nito. Nakalimutan ko yung price. I will picture the link na lang. Ilalagay ko na lang yung picture ng item dito sa gilid para makita ninyo kung ano yung name. Pero ganito po siya. Then, i-chat nyo yung seller kung ano yung mga gusto ninyo na name na ilagay. So, ako dito, ayan, merong blankie, then, diaper dito na side. Ayan, kasi ano siya, maganda po siyang tingnan. At least kung sino yung mga naghahanap ng mga gamit, alam nila kung saan kukunin. Sports bra, sports shorts, kasi plano kong mag-workout slowly. Then, socks, kasi lagi pong nawawala yung aking mga medyas. Yan natin. So, meron din ako ditong binili na clips at saka hats for my Yumi. Then, underwear. Kasi, ayan, underwears, my S guys, madami. Ayan. So, ang kailangan ko na lang, baby clothes pa pala. Eto. And then, kailangan ko pa ng isang box para sa towel. So, ganyan po siya tingnan. Pwede natin ilagay sa gilid lahat para uniform. Ayan siya. Ayan. Kasi minsan yung mga kapatid ko parang out of this world. Pag sinabi kong pakuha ako ng diaper sa cabinet, hindi nila alam saan pumupunta. So, ganyan na lang. So, sobrang pretty niya at organized. Etong green na to, nabili ko lang to guys, parang nasa 100 plus sa Wilcon Home Depot. Tama lang yung kanyang laki kasi pangit din kapag masyadong malaki or mahaba or mataas yung tray. So, okay na to sa akin. Tsaka ayoko masyadong bumibili ng damit ng baby, kaya ganyan kadami na. Tsaka inis ako na lang baby clothes. So, eto, hahanapan ko pa to ng tray, towel, sports shorts, sports bra, extra kasi naglalagay ako ng mga spare hygiene, so para sa face, mga scrub, and then medyas. So, meron pa ako.
Zombie.
What is that?
Zombie.
That's not a zombie, Chico. I said we put the marker where?
Zombie.
I said we write the marker where?
On the marker.
On the board.
On the board.
Is that a board? Is that a board?
No, Mom.
So why is it on your face?
Because Cubby wants to do a zombie.
Cubby?
Yeah.
Are you the one who put this?
He wanted to be.
He wanted to be what?
He liked it.
Like what?
To be a zombie.
Chico, no. I'm not buying markers anymore if that's what you're doing. Look at you. You look like a zebra with the stripes. Don't laugh. It's not funny. Show me your hands. And that? And that? What's that?
Zombie.
What's zombie? Why do you want to become a zombie?
Because I enjoy them for me.
Oh my goodness. What's that on your feet?
Pencil.
Pencil cheek. I did not give you markers to write on your faces, on your arms, and on your feet.
What's this?
You tell me. What's that?
Colors.
For what?
I didn't tell it.
To become what?
To become a zombie.
And you? Lay down, both of you. I'm gonna make you into Gruffalo. Alright guys, turn on ko na yung aircon para sa mga bata. It's 8:30 p.m. and it's time for their bed. So I'm just gonna tell them or show them one story and we sleep. How many story? One. And with what? We sleep. How many story, Calvi? And we what? You sleep. Look at your face. What's that face?
Then you say, no, 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 no. I need you.
You go get your lunchbox. Show me your lunchbox.
Show me my lunchbox. Mommy, I'm not going anywhere. Where are we going?
No, they're just showing people. How do you carry?
I will get some snacks. I want some snacks putting over my bed.
Yakult.
Yeah, go.
Wow. What do you want? What do you need?
There's something surprise here for you.
Thank you. Ano?
Open and see.
What do you want to do with your water bottle, Chico? Snacks. But you're not yet going to school. So many stuff. I like it.
I got under there. I'm very small. For you.
Look.
Very small for you. I'm small for you either. No, Mom, I'm doing class.
How are you? How are you, Popo? Where's your sister?
Zero plus 8 equals 3. No, 4. 0 plus 8, 4. No, 1. 0 plus 8, 1. No, 9. 0 plus 8, 9. Yay! No, I know. Hello. Apple. Hello. Apple. Pink. Apple. No, pink. Hello. Asante. Asante, please, please.
Actually, why does Auntie calling you?
Daddy. Daddy. 4 plus 4 and 8 equals minus 1 and 3 and 0 and 9. Just a 1. Hi guys, today we can see. But when I'm showering, I can bring this, bring the ball, then I go to the water, then boom, water will come out and push the ball.
Let me see. Smart.
When I put water, then you should push the ball. You want to see?
You can do it later when you shower.
No, Mom, in the tub.
Not in the tub, in the shower.
Mom, I'll just a little bit.
Okay.
Okay, I'll show you. Come.
Chico, what are you doing?
Mom, come. Mom, come.
Oh.
Come.
Hmm.
Come.
Ah! Later na lang when you shower.
Don't you look.
Kasi bago ako maalis sa trabaho, guys, nilalagay ko lahat Ayan, tinatapon ko. Hindi naman tinatapon. Ano tinatawag dyan? Nilalagay ko lahat galing sa tray, lahat ng mga laruan nila. Hindi na ako bumibili guys kasi kahit sira yung laruan, nilalaro naman nila. So instead na maghanap sila ng mga TV at gadget, nilalagay ko lahat para mabisi sila kung ano yung makita nila, yun yung pinaglalaruan nila. So dito lang yan sila guys sa kwarto nila after nilang mag-breakfast, tsaka mag-shower. Hindi pa sila naka-shower nga eh. So shower pa lang sila. Pero that is how it looks like. It's messy, it's dirty, it's disorganized, but my kids are quiet and they are not on screen and they become creative with the broken toys. So yeah, I'm one proud mama. Okay, malibang man di ay. Nangutot man di ay. Alas 10, alas 11 na galing ako dito sa aking ate sa hospital. Nasa hospital pa din siya kasama ang kanyang baby. Dahil pinaprocess na lang nila yung bill. Ako bibili lang ng pagkain. Bibili ako ng pagkain nila dito sa labas kasi merong mga ulam-ulam. May atay at itlog ang. Atay.
Ay, atay na na itlog?
Yes.
Ay, atay na may
Oo. Pabili tayo dito. Yan na lang. I-mix na lang gang, panitin na lang din, i-drop na lang dala sa yang atay. Ito. Tali 3 atay with isa lang egg, dili. Isa lang. Isang supot.
Okay.
3 atay, yes. Then hulugan mo lang ng isang egg. Ikaw na lang magbalat ha. Pakilagyan mo ng sauce gang. Then ano sabaw meron? Sabaw. Anong sabaw meron?
Ito, ma'am.
O yan din. Native yan? Sige, isa din yan.
Pila kaya egg, ma'am?
Isa lang, may. Ano lang dire, oh.
Kaya, balik 3. Then, palagay ng sili at sabaw gambe. Yan. Tapos, itlog. Ihalo mo na ha. Kasi yung ate ko nag-asikaso ng billing. So habang nag-asikaso siya ng billing, ako muna nagbantay ng baby. Pero ngayon, okay na daw. Konti na lang daw yung kailangan. Pwede na akong umalis. Pero nagpabili na lang siya ng ulam at pagkain dito sa labas. So mabuti naman dito sa labas ng hospital guys. Maraming mga nagbibenta at saka halal. So dito may mga halal na ulam. And then pagkatapos ko siyang bilhan ng ganito, ako idediretso na sa Mayumi kasi meron po akong schedule ng live. Ayun. Pwede pala akong bumili ng ulam dito pero nagpaluto ako ng ulam sa kapitbahay namin ng chop suey.
Ano pa, ma'am, na
Yan lang. Oo. Para sa pasyente. Ako sanang kakain, pero hindi man ako pasyente. So, bili tayo guys ng native na manok na sabaw. Ayan. Salamat sa pa-extra pagmamahal. Ayan. So, okay na guys. Goods to go na. Ang busy ko today. Dapat ngayon meron din akong lab test. Kasi ngayon yung schedule para i-follow up yung level ng toxic level ng aking thyroid, sa aking thyroid. Dapat ngayon yun. So, tingnan natin kung magagawa ko pa ba. Magkano lahat ga? Sa lahat natapos din ang aking responsibility as kapatid. Ang cute-cute po ng aking pamangkin na si Fire. Ang ganda ng pangalan guys, FYRR, Fire. Ayun. So, hindi pa sila uuwi. Actually, pwede na sila umuwi kasi okay na. Kaso they are processing the billing at yung mga abstract at yung mga government social services help para naman mabawasan yung bill. Kasi dito pala sa Pilipinas, guys, iba na pala yung bill ng bata, iba yung bill ng nanay. So, parang tumataginting ata na 70,000 pesos yung nabayaran nila. Yung babayaran nila, pero dahil sa mga social services katulad po ng PhilHealth, ng PWD, ng Amping, or kung ano pa yung pwede nilang applyan, it went down at least to 40,000 something. So dahil holiday ngayon, parang meron pa silang inaantay, and then baka bukas na sila mag-check out. Ayun. Pero alhamdulillah kasi okay po si Baby Fire, and my sister is also okay. That is the only prayer that we always ask sa mga nanay na nanganganak at sa mga nanay na buntis, na they will have a very smooth, peaceful, and safe delivery. Yung walang sakit yung nanay, walang sakit yung anak, ganun. So far so good po. Masaya ako dun. And I would like to talk to you guys. Gusto ko mag-comment dun sa video na ginawa ko dun sa posibleng pagpunta ko ng Africa. Okay? Yes, may nagtanong, mag-change topic tayo may nagtanong kasi doon na gusto bang makita ng tatay yung mga bata. Yes, gusto niya po makita yung mga anak niya. Pero my heart is so done and so full of disappointment that I don't even have the time para maawa sa kanya or para pakinggan siya. Why? Every single thing that I do for my children is from my own sweat. Kaya po ako umabot sa point na nagkasakit ako ng hyperthyroidism because of my heavy stress. And hindi na iiwasan na ma-stress ka kapag meron ka pong mga inaasikaso. I am not regretting that I have children kasi alam ko meron na namang mga bashers dyan na magsasabi, anak pa more. My kids are my treasure. And I don't regret working for them. What I am trying to point out is I don't care, sorry sa bad word, kung ano man ang nararamdaman ng tatay nila, kasi even in a bit, butil ng bigas, he cannot even merely imagine the kind of work and sacrifices that I'm doing. Ay, dumating na yung mga hanger na binili natin sa Shopee, guys. Pero sabi ni Miss Giselle, pero, ang arte, akala mo naman mayaman, magpero. Ayan, sabi ni Miss Giselle, may iba daw na medyo rough, pero okay lang naman. This is the cheapest one I could find sa Shopee din, 21 pesos each. Dito kasi sa Jensen, this one is 35 pesos each. So, mamamahalan talaga tayo, guys. So, sa mga magbubutik, guys, Shopee talaga po ang sagot sa kahirapan nating mga boutique owners. Ayun. So, ayan, nag-organize kami dahil naglabas kami ng mga bago naming item. Katulad po nito. Ayan, sobrang ganda. At meron kaming promotion na 790 pesos ngayong buwan ng June para po sa Father's Day. Sobrang ganda ng mga bagong items namin. This is Italian silk as well from Bangkok, Thailand. Maganda po yung tela niya. Ayan oh. Sobrang ganda ng tela. Ayan. Hindi po yan siya yung manipis na Alpha Jenna sa Shopee. Okay? So, this one is all available. 790. And even this one comes in plain color. 6 colors available. Okay lang. Makita lang na siya. Don't worry. So, kakain na tayo, guys. Lunchtime. Yan po yung lunch namin. Nag-order kami ng chop suey. Normally, ayoko po nang na-overcook yung gulay. So, next time, sabihan natin si ate na wag i-overcook yung gulay natin. Tsaka less oil. Ayan, let's eat. Bon appetit! Bye. It's okay. You can go by yourselves. I'm watching. You know what to do when there's a motorcycle?
Mom, run.
No, you can run. You go. Come, I have to walk. You're what? Sorry, you just walk. No need to run. It's because you just ate. Just walk. Just walk. Come on. Quick. All right. You run with Galbi. Come. No, we're just going to walk. You run. I'm watching you guys. May nagpa-party dito sa kabila. Alright guys. So, time check alas 4. And I am currently doing my exercise. Daily dose of exercise. So, normally, pag hindi ako nakapag-yoga mat ng 20 minutes, nagwo-walking na lang ako ng 10,000 steps or 6,000. Depende kung magkano lang or ilang steps lang yung makaya kong tapusin. Kasi, pag madilim na, mahirap din mag-walking. So, I want to talk to you guys about the current thoughts in my head, the current feel of my heart regarding sa aking situation as single nanay. So, let's summarize the story once again para sa mga bagong nanood lang. Okay? I have my first child, Kahil, 11 years old. Naghiwalay kami ng tatay niya dahil din sa... So, hindi kami nag-workout ng tatay niya. Then, I believe around 6 years, 7 years later, I met ang tatay naman nitong mga anak ko ngayon na si Chico, si Kulot, tsaka si Mayumi. And unfortunately, I chose to end the marriage. So, hindi ako kasal sa tatay ni Kuya Kahil, pero kasal ako sa tatay ng 3 ko pang mga anak. But, I chose to end the marriage. I chose to file the divorce. Pero sa ngayon, wala pa tayong maayos na resulta kasi hindi pa napipirmahan. Ayaw pirmahan. Okay? So, now we've left. We decided to leave Uganda end of September last year. So, malapit na kami mag-1 taon dito sa Pilipinas. If you're asking where Uganda is, it's in Africa, East Africa, to be specific. Malapit sa Ethiopia at Kenya. Let's go. What's wrong, love? I was able to, almost 1 year, I was able to do the things na goal ko. Actually, matagal ko na tong goal eh. Nandun pa lang kami sa Uganda. Hindi pa kami magkahiwalay. Pero, hindi ko siya ma-materialize dahil meron din kaming mga inaasikasong businesses tsaka pinupundar sa Uganda. Pero since we separated, I had the time and energy na mag-focus dito sa Pilipinas. Ah, yeah, we forgot to go to Aqua World. We should go next time, okay? Oh, Kahil went. He went with Ashley because they said that the waves was too big. The waves were too big. Okay? And we are going to be magwa 1 year na kami dito sa Pilipinas, guys, ngayong October 1st. And I tried to accomplish the things on my list as much as possible. But you know what? Let me tell you something. I saw this very short clip. Let's go. Hi, it's okay. It's okay. Come hold. You want to go to Auntie Buji? Go. I saw a short clip today ni Camille Prats. Very short clip. You know what she said in the clip? Worrying will not take you anywhere. Worrying, it doesn't do anything. So what you can do, reflect and pray, reflect and pray, reflect and pray. And I'm like, she's right. Sometimes kasi nakakalimutan natin yung mga facts, not unless it is being said to our face. Ayun. So here I am, almost a year. You can pick flower. I developed a disease called hyperthyroidism, and now it is it became Hashimoto disease. I believe it is one of the causes is yung stress at yung pagod na din. And other than that, it runs sa pamilya namin, guys. But what I would like to say to you really is my life being a single mother. Sobra siyang nakakapagod. Okay? Nakakapagod siya. Let's not even talk about physically, guys. Kasi, yes? I'm following. Let's go. That's enough flower. That's enough flower. Let's go.
For me, where's the big one?
That's okay. You have 2 flowers. Okay.
I don't have the flower.
So,
I got the flower.
so sobra siyang nakakapagod. Sobra siyang nakakapagod. Let's not even talk about the fact that it's very tiring to be a parent. Much more so when you are a single parent. Okay? Single mom or single dad, nakakapagod physically. I know kasi naghanap tayo ng pera. Is that the fastest walk? That's an angry walk. What? Where?
It's not closing.
It's not closing. That one is not a shy plant, guys. Let's go. That's not a shy plant. Let's go. The shy plant grows in the ground. Tina, let's go. Let's go. Kalbi, he's asking for your hand. Okay.
I can't. It's covering my hand. It's going to sweat.
Okay, then let's go.
I can't feel my hand.
Okay, let's go, Kalbi. Be a big boy and walk. There you go. No need to run. Than being physically tired, kasi syempre nakakapagod maghanap ng pera, it is emotionally draining na while you are looking for money, you are also mentally busy thinking for your children. Paano ka ba makakaspend ng oras sa kanila? Kailangan mo magtrabaho. Paano ka makakabawi? Gusto mo silang dalhin sa ganito, sa ganyan. Gusto mo silang ma-experience. Gusto mo silang tingnan habang nagsasaya, tumatawa sa murang edad nila. But some things, actually most things are not possible kapag ka single parent ka. I chose to have this kind of life and I chose to accomplish them. In short, hindi po madali ang buhay ng ambisyosa, guys. Pero masama at merong ambisyosang mabuti. If ambisyosa ka para sa mga anak mo, I find that okay. Kasi magkaiba tayo ng pananaw sa buhay Merong mga magulang na kung ano yung meron sila ngayon, goods na yan, okay na yan. Ganon kasi kami lumaki. Okay? Doon natuto kami along the way. Meron ding mga magulang na I don't want my children to grow up the way I grew up. I don't want my children to miss this, to miss that. Kasi ako na-miss ko yun. Hindi ko nagawa nung kabataan ko. Kahit gaano kasimpleng bagay lang yan, we really strive hard na ma-experience ng mga anak natin yan. So I chose to be that kind of parent. Okay? In everything I did and I wanted and I still want for my children, ako lang mag-isa. Okay? And kapag nagre-reflect ako sa gabi, regarding kasi maraming nagtatanong sa inyo, iniisip ba ng tatay yung mga bata, nagsusustento ba? Hindi po siya nagsusustento dahil he has a different kind of mindset. Alright? And para sa akin, you can never reason that out. Ang hindi pagsuporta sa mga anak mo, ang pagpasok mo every single day sa trabaho mo at pagtulog mo kada gabi, na hindi mo sinusuportahan yung mga anak mo. For me, there's no reason for that. Walang rason para dyan. And I don't want to hate. Kasi hate is very heavy feeling. Dadalhin ka niyan araw-araw. Malulugmok ka niyan. Hindi lamang emotionally, kundi mentally na din. So I really don't want to hate. But when I do reflect, guys, let me be honest with you. Syempre, nasa isip ko na I feel like everything was a nightmare. I feel like it was a big mistake. And why did I do that mistake? Of course, it's too late. Pero kung may time ka lang mag-reflect, naiisip mo yung mga ganong bagay na mali yung taong napili ko. Mali yung pag-judge ko sa character niya. Pero the other part of me is so happy. Kasi every time I look at my children, it's okay, we will also go the same way. Every time I look at my children, every time I see Calby's face, every time I see Chico's cute but very annoying face, every time I see Mayumi's pretty calming face, every time I see Kuya Kahil's face, I feel like I'm done. I'm okay. And of course I won't have them kung wala yung mga tatay nila. So that's another part of me. But for me as a single mother, para hindi mag-build up yung hate sa puso ko, most of the time, isa yung nagiging solusyon ko. And that is to think and to at least believe that the person does not exist. And that's me being honest with you guys. I know it's totally bad na sometimes sinasabi natin na sometimes I think there's just imagine this person is already dead. I know siguro pag narinig nyo yan sa ibang tao or sa akin, you could judge me for that. But for me, I think it's better to believe na he did not exist. He doesn't exist. He's not there anymore. And that's what I think. And that's what I tell myself to calm down. Another thing, guys, I chose to have a zero contact sa tatay ng mga anak ko kasi I'm so tired. I'm so tired of saying something very basic and very simple at yung binabalik sa akin na statement is nonsense. Yung binabalik sa akin na statement is ridiculous. Okay? For me, I am done talking about us. There's no us. There's no chance. It's not going to happen. But what is already here right now ay yung mga bata. Madami pa ako nakita nag-comment. Babalik ka din pala sa Uganda. Magbalikan din pala kayo. Nagsisinungaling ka pa. Mahal mo pa pala. It's very easy for people to say how someone feel. It's very easy. I could say the same thing to other people. Okay? Pero the only game changer there is you just watch. Kasi wala ka rin namang magagawa eh. I cannot prove to you anything and I'm not going to prove to you anything. But you're going to see anyway. So you'll just have to watch. Alright? Gusto niya makita ang mga bata. For me, I am so tired. I am so occupied on how to make sure that my children lives every single day healthy. At least healthy. Hindi man sila perfectly 100% happy. Number one ko na sinisigurado every day is for my children to wake up healthy. Everything else will follow. And para sa isang tao na walang pakialam, walang niha-niho, and then suddenly I will receive a message that gusto mong makita yung mga bata, hindi kita pinipigilan na makita yung mga bata. Do your effort. Do something about it. Kasi sa pagod ko, sa dami ng kailangan kong gawin, sa nararamdaman kong to, sa busy at saka occupy ko kung paano ko alagaan yung sarili ko at yung mga anak ko, wala akong panahon para maawa sa'yo. Wala akong panahong maawa sa'yo at wala akong pakialam sa pakiramdam mo as tatay. Kasi, unang-una, I cannot even call you the father of the children. Yes, sa'yo nang galing ang kalahati ng mga anak ko. But it takes a lot more to be called a father. And right now, he is not being one. Recently, nagsabi siya na gusto niya makita si Mayumi. For what? Gusto mo makita si Mayumi para natatawa akong isipin na parang feeling ko yung kausap ko ay hindi normal na tao. Kasi saan ka nang galing? Saan nang galing yung kapal ng apog mo para sabihin sa akin na gusto mong makita yung anak ko? I don't judge mothers. I don't judge parents who faces the challenges of their marriage or the challenges with their co-partner differently. I don't. Each of us, we have our own way to deal with our difficult exes, difficult co-parents. Sa sitwasyon ko, guys, natatawa ako. And I told him, sinagot ko siya, and I'm not going to lie to you. Sinagot ko siya na the only way for him to see the children is for him to put the effort, for him to spend, for him to think, for him to plan, for him to do 100% of everything to be able to see the faces of the kids, to be able to touch them. Otherwise, that is not coming from me. I am tired. Pagod ako, guys. And without my family who has been there for me since the beginning, since zero, since wala pa yung mga bata, hanggang ngayon na nandito na sila, without them, I wouldn't even know. I couldn't even imagine kung nasaan ako ngayon. I am grateful. I am grateful for the life of my kids. I don't regret having 4 children. And I will say this again. Sa lahat ng mga nagko-comment, umabot ka pa ng 4, I don't care. Kung sasabihin niyo umabot ako ng 7. I don't regret the life of my children. And the life of my children is the reason why I am who I am right now. Okay? Mas lalo na siguro, guys, na wala kang kailangang sabihin na ganyan na masasakit na salita kung hindi ka naman nag-ambag ng gatas ng mga anak ko. Gatas or pagkain ng mga bata. So, let's be kind. Ayan. May na-imagine na naman ako mag-comment. Yan kasi vlog-vlog ka. Dapat tanggapin mo yung comment namin kasi nag-vlog ka. Oo, vlogger ako. And I accept your comments. But you have to accept my comment as well. There's no stopping that. That's why it's called a vlogging world. Kasi we are engaging in a topic by stating each other's opinions. So, to make the long story short, walang lugar sa akin ng awa. Whatever you say, kahit anong sabihin na tatay ng mga anak ko, sa level ng pagod ko, sa level ng pag-iisip ko para sa pamilya ko, wala akong lugar para maawa kahit isang tuldok. You want to see the children? Do something about it. Because I'm not gonna do anything about it. I'm done doing anything. Especially para sa kanya. Okay? I'm done. Like I said guys, after this video, I know uulan yung mga comments dyan. It's okay. You can tell me what you think. You can tell me your opinions. But that's not going to change me. That's not going to change who I am. That's not going to change what I think about this person. Kasi kung may nakakaalaman ng kada tuldok na nangyari sa pamilya ko, it is still me. And, you know what? I don't want to say, ayokong mag-wish ng masama sa someone. But how do I say it? Alam niyo anong sinabi ko sa tatay ng mga anak ko? I hope and I pray that you get what you deserve. I swear, yun po ang sinabi ko sa kanya. I hope and I pray that he gets what he deserves. May it be good, may it be bad, God will give him what he deserves. I have to let go of hate. I have to let go of the hope na he will become a responsible father. Kasi if he is a responsible father, hindi aabot ng isang taon na kahit piso, guys. Wala siyang napadalang pagkain para sa mga anak ko. Okay? So, like I said, I know I'm not the only single parent sa mundong to. Marami tayo. And I don't judge you, mama. I don't judge you, tatay, na single. Kung ngayon ay you are also battling this kind of situation, but you are handling it differently, I don't have any comment about it. You do you, I do me. Ayan. When it comes to my children, nobody decides for them but me. Though every time na nagde-decide ako para sa mga bata, I also try my best to open up to my mom, to my siblings, at nagbe-brainstorm kami if my plan is good or my plan is bad. My siblings knows most of the time. Yes, the decision is upon me, pero I don't hide it from them. I don't hide it from them. And do I sound like I am so disgusted with the idea of going back together? Bakit parang ayaw na ayaw ko? Because I know my character in marriage. I know what I can bring to my table. I know what kind of woman I am. Okay? I married the wrong person, and that is coming from me. I married not only a person who doesn't have the same idea of marriage as what I have, but literally I married the wrong person. This person is not someone who I want to be with in a home where my children are. And that is coming from me again. Okay? I know hindi nyo pa ito narinig sa akin before, and now it's coming out slowly. And I don't care like how I did not care before. Kasi judgment will always be there. Hate will always be there. Bashing will always be there, regardless. But that is life, guys. You make wrong choices. You make wrong decisions. But at least sometimes you do something not to make it right. Kasi you already did it eh. Mali na eh. May mga nangyari na sa mali na ginawa mo. But you try to do something about it to make it better. To make it better for you and the people around you. Okay? Right now, I am in the point of my life where I have a lot of goals and written milestones for my child, for myself and my children, for my child. Parang hindi apat yung anak ko, no? I'm in the point of my life where I strive hard to make the things that I want happen. Alright? I am not... Minsan nakikita nyo, nagjo-joke ako guys sa social media na Lord, if ever na ma-fall in love man ako ulit, Lord, doon na lang sa either nakakatawa or maganda yung boses. Tsaka Lord, kahit hindi mayaman, Lord, basta wag lang gipit. Nakikita nyo na nagjo-joke ako ng ganyan. But this kind of things is not even in the list of my priority. Okay? I would say traveling to Canada with Kahil, throwing snows at each other, sliding somewhere, fun in Japan. Those are the things that I have in my head. Okay? So sa lahat ng mga in relationship right now, even if you're married and you are suffering and you're not happy, you would know if you're not happy. Ask yourself, are you happy? Are you in a healthy relationship? Are you in a healthy marriage? Is your home healthy? Is the surroundings of your children healthy? Kasi you are not only two couple eh. You are not only two people. There are small young minds watching you. There are small children looking at you, making you their role model in life. So who they become depends who they grow up with. Alright? So for me, if ever na bumalik man ako ng Africa and I go back there without my children, it's because that's what I want to happen and not because people are telling me not to. If I'm going to Africa with some of my family members because they want to experience Africa, well and good. But if not, then we shall just see what's going to happen. Kasi hindi ko naman pwedeng sabihin sa inyo, no guys, hindi na ako fall in love ulit. No guys, ayoko na talaga. Life is bittersweet. It's bittersweet. And they're right eh. Everything that you are going through in life, one day, you will look back and you will smile. Hindi ka tatawa kasi para ka namang baliw. But you will smile. You will smile because you will realize na I overcame that challenge in my life. I'm happier where I am right now. Or if not, then you will start asking yourself. But then, once again guys, kudos sa lahat ng mga parents. It's not an easy job. Kudos sa lahat ng mga parents, sa lahat ng mga nanay, tatay na kahit gaano nakahirap maghanap buhay, kahit gaano nakahirap maghanap ng pera, they are trying their very best to provide. Because it doesn't take much. I remember growing up guys, yung kanin namin hanggang hapon na, yung ulam namin isa lang. But I had a wonderful childhood. Yung tatay ko, sobrang stricto guys. Pero let me remind you, kaya ako hindi tambay ngayon. Kaya ako hindi palaboy-laboy ngayon. Dahil ang tatay ko guys, stricto. Grabe yun magpalo yung tatay namin guys, parang walang bukas. At sobrang sakit po nun magpalo. Okay? So yeah. I'm more things to tell you guys, pero I believe this video is becoming so long. But before I end this, let me shout out of course unang-una the source of my strength, my reflection and my prayers. Alhamdulillah for giving me a strong body, and every day I pray for strength, not only physically but mentally, emotionally as well, spiritually. I am not a church goer, but I do know how to treat people, at least. Okay, thank you so much sa shout out sa pamilya ko, sa nanay ko na hindi chismosa at sa nanay ko na hindi judgmental. Maraming salamat ma, I love you. Ayan, shout out sa mga kapatid ko na one call away. Ayan, salamat sa mga kapatid ko na hindi judgmental kung ano yung pinagdadaanan ko. Never akong ginudge ng mga kapatid ko na kaysa ganito pumili ka ng mali, blah, 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 blah. Never. Okay, never. Magpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng tao na hindi ko man kapatid pero parang tinuring ko ng pamilya, mga kaibigan. Maraming salamat sa inyo. You know, I don't communicate that much because I'm that kind of person. Hindi po talaga ako pala communicate sa social media, chat and call, no. Pero once we see each other, there's no changes. Maraming salamat po sa inyo na nanonood. Both my lovers and lovers talaga. Ano yun? Ano yun, kabet? Both sa aking mga lovers at mga haters. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Thank you for always taking the time to watch and comment. Most of you even sent a message. Sa ngayon, as I'm talking to you, I can feel a lot of you wants to hug me. O baka feeling ko lang yun, guys. But if you really want to hug me, I would love that. Because hug comforts a person more than you know, right? So, maraming salamat. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. And, I will continue to show you guys the story of my life. Once again, I am Princess Jane Higa, ang single nanay ng aking 4 na half African, half Filipino kids, living and providing for them here in General Santos City, Philippines. At I'll see you guys soon sa pagbabalik namin sa Africa. Again, see you guys on the next episode. Much love from Princess Higa.